I'm Dr. Michael Sharp, and I'm a dentist in Kalamazoo, Michigan. I knew I wanted to be in one of the healing fields. I thought maybe I'd be a doctor. I wasn't sure. When I looked into it, I said to myself, that sounds great. I can be in the healing profession. Most of all, I felt like I could change people's lives in dentistry. Well, the Sharp Smile Center actually started way back when in 1983 as the Burdick Street Dental Prevention Center. My goal was to prevent disease, prevent dental problems, help people keep their teeth a lifetime. Through the last 32 years, we became the Sharp Smile Center when I concentrated my practice more on the cosmetic aspects and after I became accredited with the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry. Our goal at the Sharp Smile Center is to treat you like our family. You're not a number, you're a person tied to these teeth. So we treat the whole person. We don't just look at your teeth and stop there. We take your blood pressure. We do an oral cancer exam. We try to counsel you in how to be healthier as a whole person. The team that I work with here are fantastic. I can't say enough about these women and their dedication, their compassion, their willingness to grow and to do excellent work and to do it as a team to accomplish these wonderful things that we're able to do. The most rewarding aspect of my job as a dentist is when we change someone's smile, is we really change their life. Psychologically, people come in broken. If you're not comfortable with your smile, you're guarded, you might be reclusive, or people might think that you're standoffish. And really, it's just that you're embarrassed, or psychologically you're unhappy. By creating a beautiful smile, it's like letting a person's soul out, and they can be themselves again. They're not guarded, they're not constantly worried about smiling too big because they're going to show a dark spot on a tooth, or the fact that they're missing a tooth, or that their teeth are badly misshapen. And that's not to say that everybody needs to have straight teeth to be psychologically whole. Some people are perfectly comfortable with teeth that aren't perfect, and that's okay. But I'm here to help the people that are psychologically hindered or broken.
When I came in, I had a terrific overbite. I couldn't even get my lips closed. I think I always put my hand up in front of my face when I was eating, and the little kids, you can never get it by them. Well, what's wrong with your teeth? And so you're always self-conscious then, because out of the mouths of babes comes the truth, and I don't worry about that anymore. After he replaced my teeth, and I wasn't afraid to smile anymore, and I went out smiling, and I haven't stopped since.
When your teeth are getting bad and your gums or your roots are starting to show and everything, so you kind of modify your expressions. You don't smile big, and now I can, play around with my expressions. and go back to being natural. In the office at work, they call me Smiley. And I do find myself, always like, I am just more than happy with it. It's better than I would have imagined.
I'm Roz, and I live in Peru, Illinois, and I am Dr. Michael Sharp's patient. I drive over 3 hours for my dental visits, and you probably wonder why, because he is fabulous. I am a dental phobic. What that means is I'm very afraid of going to the dentist, except when it comes to Dr. Sharp. I do sedation dentistry with Dr. Sharp. I sleep through it all and wake up with a beautiful smile. I cannot tell you how happy I am and the confidence that he has given me, because I work with the public with my smile. Dr. Sharp cared about me as a patient, not just as a number.
One of my favorite quotes is by a person named Lawrence Pearsall Jacks, and it embodies the spirit of how I want to live my life. A master in the art of living draws no sharp distinction between his work and his play, his labor and his leisure, his mind and his body, his education and recreation. He hardly knows which is which. He simply pursues his vision of excellence through whatever he is doing and leaves others to determine whether he's working or playing. To himself, he's always doing both. I just go through life with an attitude of gratitude. Number one, that I have the skill to help people. I love to go to classes. I love to learn. I love to have the latest technologies so that I can provide my patients with the very best.